Pleasant evening, everyone. To the ASMS officers, thank you for giving us, the youth, the chance to showcase our brilliance and God-given talents. To Ma'am Eloy, thank you for your leadership and support, especially to us aspiring for greatness. To our King Solomon Power School Incorporated, led by our beloved school directress, Ma'am Olive B. Salazar. Thank you for your encouragement and for being part of molding us to become our best. To my fellow winners, congratulations po sa ating lahat. And to our loving parents and guardians, salamat po sa pagtiwala, pagmamahal, at suporta. And most of all, to our beloved coaches, thank you for believing in us and guiding us to be better every step of the way. Right now, I'm standing here with mixed emotions, kaba, saya, at pride. But more than anything, I'm grateful and a happy person. Let me share an inspiring story. There was once a shy, white kid doing well in school, but too scared to speak in public. He preferred writing over reciting and stayed most at home. Then came the pandemic, and that 2 years of online learning made him even more reserved. But one day, a teacher, his advisor, saw potential in him. Full of emotions daw kasi kung nasasalita yung bata. Kinausap yung teacher ang magulang at ilalaban daw sa declamation. Pero nag-aalangan ng mami at sinabi, "Sir, baka di kayanin ng anak ko. Mayayain po kasi siya eh." Ang sagot ng teacher, "Kaya na yun." Surprisingly, he did it. You know what? That kid I'm telling you about was me. Yes, ako po yun. Yung batang mayayain at ako masalita sa harap ng mga tao. But now, I'm here, full of gratitude, because someone believed in me. Because coaches like you po, I learned to step out of my comfort zone. Just last year, when I was in grade 6, that was my first time joining declamation. From inter-school grade quiz to ASMS regionals, and finally, ASMS nationals, which was held in Baguio also, and I was hailed as champion. That experience opened doors for me, and so I kept learning, kept practicing, and kept growing. Now that I'm in grade 7, I competed again for scientific creative writing and won second place. Sa oration, first time ko rin po yun. And by God's grace, nanalo rin po ako. We all know that ASMS is a prestigious association that recognizes young talents and skills. But what's even more admirable is that they also honor the people behind those talents, those behind their success, our coaches. Maaari po ba tumayo ang ating mga mahal na coaches?
Ano po, coaches?
Coaches, please stand up.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, coaches. You've helped us realize we are capable of more than we ever thought possible. Mabuhay po kayo. You deserve to be applauded. Bigyan po natin sila ng masigabang palakpakan sa ating mga coaches. Maaari na po kayong maupo. Muli, maraming salamat po. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Sir Odiros S. Tayan, or as we lovingly call him, Tatay Red, my coaching quiz bee, scientific creative writing, oration, and declamation. Thank you po, Tay. When you said you would train me, all you asked was for me to trust you and believe in myself. Na kapag gusto ko, kakayanin ko. And you gave your guidance unconditionally. You didn't just train us to become good speakers. You also taught us how to be good, confident, and respectful. You helped me overcome stage fright. You taught me to speak from the heart, to connect with people, and and to believe in myself with humility. All of this became possible because of our amazing coaches, our mentors who never gave up on us. Thank you for giving us this once-in-a-lifetime experience. The lesson you taught us, we will carry with us as we go along in life. Let me end with these words of wisdom. A good coach sees more in you than you see in yourself and helps you see it too. Let's keep the faith alive in ourselves, and we will go farther than we ever imagined. I am Juan Inigo Arorino from King Solomon Bacoor School Incorporated. Proud ako, Batang Asnips ako.
Thank you for that wonderful